Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here standard first revision class. First one question C. Insert more than, less than or is equal to sign. First one question, insert more than, less than or is equal to sign. First one, weight of bicycle dash weight of car. Which is the heavier? Weight of car is a more than the weight of bicycle. But how to read? Weight of bicycle is a less than weight of car. Two weeks dash 14 days. 2 weeks, how many days in 1 week? Count. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many days? 7 days. For 7 multiply by 2, 14 and 14 days. So both are is equal. 22 hours, 1 day. 1 day have how many hours? 24 hours. So 22 hours is less than the 1 day. 1 month, 3 weeks. 1 week have how many days? Now we count na 7 days. 7 3s are 21. And 1 month how many days? 30 or 31. So 1 month is more than the 3 weeks. Next one. Who am I? I am a 2-digit number. My 2 digits are 0 and 4. 0 and 4. 0, when you write 0 and 4, that time you got there only 1 digit number, only 4. First one 0 right and tens have 0 right and ones have 4 right, that time you got only 1 digit number. You want here 2 digit numbers. So answer is there 40. Answer is there 40. Next one, I am a 5 more than the product 2 and 5. I am a 5 more than the product 2 and 5. The product 2 and 5, 2 multiply by 5, 10. 10 plus 5. Because of this say I am a 5 more than. 10 plus 5, 15. Write the answer there, 15. I am a difference of greatest and the smallest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number 99. Smallest 2-digit number 10 minus there. You got there 89. Write their answer 89. Understand? Now find word problem. First one, Vinayak has a 38 chocolates and Swati has a 30 chocolates. How many chocolates do they have in all? What you do here? You do here addition. Do here addition. Tens, ones. 38 plus 30. Got there 68. Write in words 68 chocolates do they have in all. Why we do here addition? What the question? What the question asking? Have in all. They have in all. So you do here addition. Khushbu has a 5 ice cream to her friend. One ice cream is melt. One ice cream is melt. How many ice cream are there? Khushbu purchased there 5 ice cream. But when she reached home, that time one ice cream there melted. So how many is there ice cream she have? That time what you do? You do here subtraction. Do here minus 5 minus 1. You got here 4. Write in their word 4 and ice cream are there. Understand how to write? Now, question number 4. Write ordinal number. Ordinal number means what? Here given you regular number. Okay, you write there ordinal number. 1, there what you call in ordinal? First. Second, write in word second. Third, write in word third. Here fourth, write in word fourth. Here is a fifth, write in word fifth. Here is a sixth, write in word sixth. All of you understand how to write? Seventh, write here seventh. Eighth, write in number and write in word 8. Here write in word 9th. How to write? Understand? Now, which thing can you buy? Match the following. Here given you rupees and here given you some things and their amount. Which figure we join the which coins and notes? 20 plus 5, 25. Where is here 25? Ice cream for rupees 25. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Brush is how many rupees? 8 rupees. You join there. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. Bouquet how many rupees? 16 rupees. So, join there. Understand? All of you understand how to do? Next one. Show the which is the least capacity, write L, and most capacity, write M. Here given you 3 glass. 3 glass there. One is a big, second is a medium, third one is a small. Which have least capacity? Small have least capacity. So write there L. And which have most capacity? Big have most capacity. Right there M. Here is spoon. Medium, small, big. Small for L. Big for M. Write the time. Here small hand on 9 and big hand on 12. So how much time is there? 9. Write in word 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Big hand on 12. Small hand on 3. So write in number 3 and write in word 3 o'clock. Question number 9. Take the taller object, cross the smaller object. Here is 2 grass. Here is a 2 grass. Which is the tall and which is the small? This one is a tall, this one is a small. So tall has a correct and cross has a small object for cross. Same as it is stick. Tall has a correct answer, small has a wrong. Next one, write the product. If you behind the table, that time you write this one question. If you don't behind the table, that time you don't write this one question. 8 nines are 9 eights are 72. 9 twos are 80. 10 six are 60. 3 fives are 35. 3 fours are 12. 4 fours are 16. All of you understand? Next one, find the sum. 89 plus 3. 89 plus 3. First you start from the ones place. First you start from the ones place. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. To write 1 is a carry. 90. 1 is a carry right here. 8 plus 1, 9. 85 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. Answer is there. You got their answer 87. 54 plus 41. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. You got their answer 95. 63 plus 20. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 2, 8. 21 plus 32. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 91 plus 0. Any one number add their 0, answer is that number also. Find the difference. 85 minus 43. You start from the ones place. First ones minus, then tens. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. 29 minus 18. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 76 minus 34. 6 minus 4, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. 70 minus 3. You got their answer 40. Write tables 2 to 10. If you behead the table, you write there. Okay, if you don't behead there and write there. I asked this question also in the exam. Okay, you behead their tables and write there. Here all lessons revision here completed. Okay, you do the study. On Monday your exam will be start. Thank you.